In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Helium 10 to find the products to sell on Amazon. So the first thing you want to do, you want to sign into your Helium 10 account, or of course you can just create one, it's very easy, and then you can go to products up here, hover over this, hover over discover product opportunities, and then here you can see it says launch black box, which is what we're going to be using to actually find products to sell. So I'm going to click on the black box. And this is how that actually works. So inside the black box, you actually have two options. First, you have to select the marketplace. I'm going to go for Amazon.com. And then you have to basically select if you want the simple version, which only requires 5 questions to be answered, or the advanced version where you have to put in some advanced data, such as all the different numbers, etc. And of course, for this, you have to be a bit more experienced. If you are, you're free to use that. But of course, if you are a beginner, you can go ahead and click on the simple one, which we're going to be doing right now. So here you can then pick up 3 areas you're familiar with. These are basically the niches. So here you can select a category or subcategory. I'm going to go ahead and do, for example, CDs and vinyl. And then I'm going to go to, let's say, classic rock, stuff like that. And I'm going to go ahead and just find something random in here. And let's say I want, for example, the arena rock and glam, I can just put that in here like that. But if you have no idea what you actually want to sell and you have no niche preference, you actually want to just sell something, but you just want to find products that are doing well, no matter what they are, you can close this and click on Surprise Me, and then click over here where it says what's the price range you're most comfortable selling at. I'm going to click on $35 to $50. Product size, if your product should fit into a shoebox or not. I'm going to do yes. This is the size of a shoebox over here. You can see it. Then you can see the competition. So it says how competitive do you want the niche to be. I'm going to go ahead and do moderate. And then the monthly revenue, what you wish to make, I'm going to give it $1,000. Okay. Then just press on the search button. And it's going to spit out a bunch of different options you could be selling. So here, as you can see, there's a bunch of different things, completely random products inside random niches and categories, together with prices, parent level sales, ASIN sales. You also can see the revenue, the reviews, the sellers, the seller country, brand, etc. So there's a bunch of different things you could actually see in here. And then via that, you can basically use it to find product, then sell on Amazon. So currently there's like 20 pages of this. Of course, you could always get more. You can just adjust the settings a bit, and then you can go ahead, go through each and every single one of these and see if in case it's something you're interested into selling. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.